Good morning, students. This is Tushar Aggarwal, your IP teacher. He's here again, continuing the unit, that is unit number 3, Introduction to Computer Network. Now, friends, Introduction to Computer Network means that we have to study all the basics about a network, how network is engaged, how internet is working. So till now we have studied types of network, medium, transmission mediums, then email, chat, voice over protocol, then www, World Wide Web, which is also known as web. Now today we are going to study about a very important topic that is known as website. Now, what is a website? You can say that, sir, we have opened google.com, we have opened Reddit Mail, we have opened W3 Schools, we have opened the rishikul.edu.in. These are the websites. Now, friends, these are the websites. But what actually a website means and what are its parts, what are its components? So, we are going to study all these things in this video. Now, what is a website? First, I will read it and then I will let you explain. One of the most common reasons for us to be using internet every day is information. It is loaded with, yes, if I have to search what is a website, a student or I will definitely go to the Google and search what is website. I will get a lot of information about the website. Right? The information is generated by multiple sources and is carefully organized in the form of files and web pages, which when grouped together to form a single entity become a website. So friends, here it is telling you that it has generated information, data from various sources and is organized in such a way that it optimizes your search option. So that it optimizes your search option, which when grouped together to form a single entity becomes a website. So a collection of web pages which are grouped together are usually connected in one or the other way is known as a website. So I am concentrating here. Now here lies the difference between a web page and a website. What we have done, a collection of web pages. A collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected together in various ways, often called a website. Right? So a collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected together in various ways is known as a website. So web page is a single page and website is a collection of web pages. Now I am coming to the next point, website, importance of website and its uses or how it is useful to us. For example, now what websites are used for watching the videos, as you are studying over the videos, youtube.com. The websites are utilized for various purposes like web surfing, email and chatting. Web surfing, any kind of thing you want to get. Email means electronic mail, which we want to send anything to anybody sitting in any part of the world, we can do it. Chatting, we can make discussion forums. Social networking such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Insta, all these are social networking websites. Now, for what purpose social networking websites are made? Social networking websites are made for the purpose of interacting with people you know far off from your place, such as videos, online business, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, all are working. If you take example of Amazon, you can find even your species, your grams, etc. All your food supplies or your groceries on Amazon also. From a pin to a plane, we can say we can buy online. Searching jobs, yes, we are sitting at a place, I am sitting at my place and searching for jobs. News and information we are getting from worldwide. Classified ads, blogs, we can download, we can pay, like we can recharge or do something else. We can bank, file sharing is possible. Online games, PUBG, which is a yes, students got a smile on that. It is a game called PUBG. Okay, online games, the biggest example today. Millions of people are using. Now, how it is uses? It will open your business 24/7. You don't have to sit online every day or checking every day. You can just sit back, relax, you will receive orders and you can supply. So your business is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. Reach new markets with global audience. Through World Wide Web, you can reach beyond your limitations. Like if you have a shop, you can just sell your products in a particular area. But if you have an online business, then you can share it with your global market throughout the country, other countries, right? Improved customer service. Yes, you can improve your customer service. Save money on printing and distribution costs. You have to just print online everything. You can make digital, and distribution cost is also low. Create a product or service showcase. You have your own brand now. Sell your products and services online. Yes, we can provide, like we can purchase a lot of things online and download it. Stability. Yes, stability is there as we have the proof of each and everything, every transaction. Viral marketing without a marketing cost. Just you have to share again, and you will be viral. Okay. So we will open our business for 24/7, reach new markets with global audience, improved customer service, save money on printing and distribution cost, create a product or service showcase, sell your products and services, stability, and viral marketing with a marketing cost. So these are the importance and uses of a website. Why do people visit website? अब एक क्वेश्चन भी अराइज होता है कि हम लोग वेबसाइट पे जाते ही क्यों हैं? Why we need website? Generally, दो reasons होते हैं. People look at websites for two primary reasons. First, to find the information they are in need, such as I want to visit some other parts of the country, of the world. I will just search how much it will cost, how I can go, what are the places for look for studies. Many of the students go abroad or some other states to read. Then we can search which university is better, how can we take admission, how can we process online data, right? What is the infrastructure, we can check. So there are a lot of things that will come in the way for searching the information. Okay, so you can contact as many as people through the website by sitting at a single place. Now to complete a task, people may want to buy the latest bestseller of a product, a book, some softwares, or participate in online discussion about a favorite hobby. So this is possible through a website. So primarily for two reasons. One is for information, they are in need. Another one is to complete a task. Now, what are the various components of a good website? Now, components of a good website are easy navigation, it is easy navigators, secured contents, proper layout, proper links, effective color scheme, fast load time, mobile friendly, font that suits website, good quality images, consistency of design among all pages. It means we will navigate through the pages easily, we will get all the modules. Like if I will search for a school website, say Rishikul website, then what we will get home, about us, admissions, registrations, examination. So in every module we are getting each thing easily navigated. Secured contents, the contents are secured with the person who is making the website. Proper layout, a proper layout is maintained so that each and everyone can access. Proper links are there. Effective color scheme is there. Fast load time, it will load fast. Mobile friendly, yes, we can nowadays mobiles are great of use. People are using mobile rather than laptops or desktops, so we can open mobile friendly, mobile view, font that suits website. Yes, we will use font that is good, attractive with the website, good quality images with less size, consistency of design among all the pages are designed in such a way that they are reflecting each other's image in that. Now we have studied how the uses of websites, how we can use websites, why we use websites. Now things that we need to build a website. अब हमें वेबसाइट बनाना है, so उसके लिए हमें तीन चीजों की जरूरत होती है. First one is domain name, right? I will just first tell their names, then discuss it. First one is domain name. Second one is website hosting. Second one is website designing tools. Now first I will go to domain name. Now if I will just search a website, the rishikul.edu.in. So for that you have to purchase a domain name from the sellers. There are so many websites selling this, such as godaddy.com is the famous one. Now there are certain domains which are reserved by the government of any country for the use of educational purposes or for the institutional purposes, I can say, or for some government purposes. For example, we are living in India, so I will take an example of .edu.in. .gov.in, .nic.in. These are certain domains which are with government only. We have to take the permission of government agencies to have these domain names. Now website hosting, we need a server that will host our website, services that host our website. Now website designing tools. Friends, this is an important aspect because it will depend how a website will look on the website designing tools. There are certain tools such as Firefox Developer, Photoshop, Panic Coda, Dreamweaver, Fireworks. Now there are certain languages, yes, programming languages. So no, these are not the programming languages. These are just the platforms to build these websites. Number one is HTML, which is the base of all. Hypertext markup language, you have studied in your lower classes. ASP, active server pages. PHP, preprocessor hypertext. JSP, Java server pages. .NET, Visual.NET, etc. So all these languages, and there are so many languages. Python can also be used to design websites. Now, two of the most common methods for designing websites that work well both on mobile and web are responsive and adaptive design. Now, in responsive design, contents move dynamically depending on the screen size. Now, in adaptive, the contents are fixed, means this much portion is allotted to this much portion is allotted to this. So they are fixed in their own way. Coming to the next thing, now structure, it forms a hierarchical structure, as I told you. Now, first of all, structuring of items in a website is very, very important, and breaking them into subsections on the basis of file type, right? If I will, for example, I will take school website. If I will put admission part in the about us part, that will not serve the purpose. People look for admission part in the admission only. So it is necessary that home page, then the main sections, and in the main section subsections will be placed accordingly. Website structure refers to the framework in which the information or content of the website employs for both usability and presentation. Means it will be user friendly, it will just employ that it will be usable and presentable. Now next, this is very important part as working of a website. Now it is a request response system. Suppose we have studied DNS. Now DNS server, now in that intermediate thing is web browser. Now the server of a party or an organization just request a web browser that I want to access this thing. Now the web browser make request to the server. Now user, what user is doing? User entering the web page entries. Now user is doing the web page entries here. So it will accept from the server, response, open it. Right now we will read it. When a user requests the web page, the browser employed by the user requested the server through DNS server and by fetching and interpreting the requested files. Means जैसे एक user होगा वो request करेगा web page के लिए, browser जो हम use करेंगे, whether it will be any kind of browser, the server through DNS server and by fetching displays it on user screen. जो भी हमें output मिलेगी server से वो हमारी screen पे user end पे आ जाएगी. DNS server convert domain name to IP address. Now it will convert, for example, this domain name to a particular IP address. This process is known as DNS resolution. I hope you must know it. This process is known as DNS resolution. Now some examples of website are wikipedia.org, google.com, Amazon, cbse.nic.in, facebook.com, yahoo.com, flipkart.com, any kind of thing that has an extension, darishukul.edu.com, python.mykvs.in, any other cbse.nic.in, all are the examples of website. So friends, what we have studied today, let us have a quick reminder. We have studied the website part. Now what is a website? Website is a collection of web pages. Now here comes the difference between web pages and websites. Then what are the uses of a website and importance, because it can open business 24/7, research markets, reach new global audiences, customer service improved, save money, viral marketing without cost. Why do people visit website? For primarily two purposes: to find information and to complete a task. Components of a good website: easy navigation, secured components, proper link, effective color scheme, fast load time, mobile friendly, right? How to build a website? We need three things: domain name, web hosting, website designing tools. Domain names are to be purchased, like our website name .com or .in. Website hosting we can do. Website designing tools, there are several languages. Now website infrastructure, it must be structured well so that each and every one of them can understood it very well. Now working of a website, DNS just converts